Did you know most factory car speakers cost less to make than your daily cup of coffee? Seriously. And yet, they're responsible for delivering the soundtrack to hours of your life every single week. Think about that. If you spend time commuting, cruising, or just escaping with music after a long day, you deserve better than thin, lifeless sound. So here's the real question. Are you ready to stop settling for dull factory audio and finally experience clean, powerful, spine-tingling sound in your car? Because today, we're breaking down the absolute best car speaker upgrade kits you can buy right now, comparing plug-and-play convenience, budget upgrades, high-power beasts, and true audiophile setups, so you can find the perfect match for your ride, your ears, and your wallet. And yes, all the links are in the description below, so you can check specs, reviews, and prices anytime. Let's dive in. On number 6, Kicker speakers, 6.5 and 669-inch for Ford F-150. Upgrade kit. If you drive a Ford F-150 and you're tired of flat, muddy factory sound, this Kicker DS series upgrade kit feels like it was made just for you, because it literally was. This complete bundle is designed specifically for 2015-2024 F-150 models, meaning you get a true plug-and-play experience that eliminates all the headaches that usually come with car audio installs. No cutting wires, no weird adapters, no guesswork, just clean installation and instant improvement. Inside the kit, you get 2 pairs of DS series coaxial speakers, the 6.5-inch DSC650s and the larger 6x9-inch DSC6930s, paired with vehicle-specific mounting adapters and wiring harnesses that guarantee perfect fitment. Sound-wise, these speakers deliver crisp highs, clean vocals, and strong mid-range punch, thanks to their polypropylene cones, ribbed polyester foam surrounds, and Kicker's zero protrusion PEI dome tweeters. With 60 watts RMS handling for the 6.5s and 90 watts RMS for the 6x9s, plus a high 92 dB sensitivity rating, they get loud, stay clean, and completely outperform factory speakers. Compared to budget options like the JVC CSJ620, the Kicker delivers more clarity and power handling, while compared to the bass-focused JBL GTO series, it prioritizes precision and clean detail over deep low-end rumble. So if you want earth-shattering bass, you'll still want a subwoofer. But for everyday driving, these speakers bring music back to life in a way factory systems simply can't. If you're an F-150 owner looking for the easiest, most reliable, and best-sounding upgrade, this kit is almost impossible to beat. What do you think? Would you go plug and play or build a custom setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. On number 5, ORION Cobalt Series CB65C two-way car audio component system. If your goal is real audio fidelity without destroying your budget, the ORION Cobalt Series CB65C is a sleeper hit that punches way above its price. Unlike coaxial speakers where everything is crammed into one unit, this is a true component system, meaning you get separate woofers, silk dome tweeters, and dedicated crossovers. That alone puts it in a different class when it comes to sound staging and clarity. By placing the tweeters higher on your dash or A-pillars, the sound feels like it's coming from in front of you instead of from your feet. A huge upgrade in realism. The 6.5-inch woofers use injection-molded polypropylene cones and tough rubber surrounds, producing rich mids and solid mid-bass that easily outperform ultra-budget options like the Boss CH6530. With 70 watts RMS handling and a smooth silk dome tweeter design, the ORION delivers clear, detailed sound that stays clean at higher volumes, unlike cheaper speakers that start breaking apart when pushed. Compared to the RECOIL REM65, the ORION has slightly higher power handling, but it lacks the adjustable crossover tuning that gives RECOIL the edge in fine control. Still, for someone stepping into amplified audio for the first time, the ORION offers massive value, better clarity than coaxials like the Kicker or JVC, and a real taste of high-end sound. If you were upgrading your system, would you prioritize staging and clarity or pure volume? Let me know in the comments. On number 4, JVC CS J620 300W 6.5 CS Series 2-way coaxial car speakers. When it comes to bang-for-your-buck upgrades using factory head units, nothing in this lineup touches the JVC CS J620. These speakers are built for efficiency, meaning they get loud and clear using very little power. Perfect for anyone who doesn't want to install an amplifier. With an ultra-high 92 dB sensitivity rating and a shallow mounting depth, they fit almost anywhere and instantly outperform stock speakers. The mica cone woofer and PEI dome tweeter produce crisp vocals and clean highs that easily cut through road noise, while the hybrid rubber cloth surround improves durability. Compared to the Kicker DS series, the JVC actually sounds better when running straight from factory radios, thanks to its superior efficiency. However, it can't handle much power, maxing out at 30 watts RMS, meaning it's not built for amplified setups. Against the Boss CH6530, the JVC wins decisively in bass depth, efficiency, and clarity, making it the superior low-budget option. The trade-off? Bass punch is limited, so serious low-end lovers will still need a subwoofer. But if you want an easy, affordable, and dramatic sound upgrade without touching amps or wiring, the JVC CS J620 is a home run choice. Would you rather go simple and efficient or build a full system later? Let me know what you'd choose. On number 3, Boss Audio Systems CH6530 ROS Chaos Series 6.5-inch coaxial speakers. The Boss CH6530 ROS is designed for one primary purpose: delivering a quick, ultra-budget speaker replacement that's better than broken or worn-out factory units. With its flashy red cone design, 3-way layout, and wide compatibility, it offers a noticeable improvement for minimal cost. But let's be real, while it looks aggressive, its performance is focused more on affordability than audio excellence. Its frequency range starts at 100 Hz, which means deep bass is basically non-existent, especially when compared to the JVC CS J620 or Kicker DS series. At moderate volume, the CH6530 delivers decent clarity, but once you push it, distortion creeps in quickly. Compared to the ORION or RECOIL component systems, the difference in sound quality and staging is night and day. Still, for older vehicles, work trucks, or temporary replacements, the Boss CH6530 fills a necessary role: cheap, easy, and functional. If budget was your only concern, would you sacrifice bass and clarity for savings? Let me know your thoughts. On number 2, ZYZCLES Upgraded Premium 6.5 Hi-Fi Coaxial Car Speakers. This one is for volume junkies. The ZYZCLES Upgraded Premium speakers are built for sheer power, boasting an insane 250 watts RMS per pair, far more than most coaxial speakers can handle. Compared to the 60-watt Kicker or 30-watt JVC, this thing lives in a different universe. But here's the catch: without a strong amplifier, these speakers sound weak and lifeless. Feed them real power, though, and they absolutely come alive, delivering extreme volume and aggressive sound pressure that's perfect for SPL-focused builds. Compared to the ORION and RECOIL component systems, the ZYZCLES falls behind in clarity, staging, and finesse, but it dominates in raw output. So if you're building a loud system on a budget and already planning to install an amp, this is a serious contender. But if you're chasing balance and sound quality, components will always win. What's your priority? Insane volume or refined sound? Drop your answer below. On number 1, RECOIL REM65 Echo Series 6.5-inch car audio component speaker system. Taking the crown at number 1, the RECOIL REM65 delivers the best overall balance of sound quality, tuning flexibility, and value. This true component system features polypropylene woofers, silk dome tweeters, and premium external crossovers with adjustable tweeter levels, letting you fine-tune your sound exactly the way you want it. Compared to the ORION CB65C, the RECOIL offers better tuning control, smoother highs, and a more customizable listening experience. With 100 watts RMS handling per pair and 90 dB sensitivity, these speakers thrive when paired with a modest amplifier, delivering rich mids, smooth highs, and incredible sound staging that simply can't be matched by coaxial designs like Kicker or JVC. If your goal is immersive, concert-like audio with depth, clarity, and realism, this is the system to beat. Is the added installation effort worth it for next-level sound? If you care about audio, the answer is usually yes. Final verdict. So there you have it. The best car speaker upgrade kits, fully compared. If you want simple factory upgrades, go JVC. If you drive an F-150, Kicker is unbeatable. For serious sound quality, RECOIL wins. And if volume is your obsession, ZYZCLES is your weapon of choice. No matter your budget or build style, there's something here for everyone. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more car audio deep dives, and drop a comment telling us which speakers you're choosing. And remember, all the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.